So iPhone users out there looking for the best accessories and you want top charging performance, but you don't want your phone to overheat, ESR has a solution here that I'll be unboxing and testing out in this video. So it's the CryoBoost series from them. So they're 25 watts, Qi 2.2 standard, which is the maximum for the Magsafe wireless charging, but they are using CryoBoost, which is an active cooling technology. So what this is a small little fan that's under 25 decibels, so it's quiet. It keeps the phone cool and maximizes charging efficiency, and it always ensures that the batteries are not going to get too hot and your phone won't be overheating. We have here the Omni lock magnetic wireless car charger, the magnetic 3-in-1 charging station. This is the foldable version of it, and then the 3-in-1 magnetic charging station, the upright version too. So in this video, which is by the way sponsored by ESR, I'll be testing them out and showing you why these are definitely worth a look for iPhone 17 users looking to maximize your wireless charging performance. Here is what we get in the box included with the Omni lock magnetic car chargers. So we have our Qi 2 standard 25 watt CryoBoost charger base there. There's just a little warning on there that if you're using a case that it should be less than 2 millimeters thick for the efficiency. There is a support card. There's some paperwork and a little QR code for a setup video, our Type-C to Type-C cable, and then this here. So this is the Omni lock arm, and this has been upgraded. So this you can see is adjustable, and that's how you put it onto your vent. Now there is some protection built into this to prevent vent damage. So they've upgraded the clip here. Now this will fit 10 millimeters to 32 millimeter vents, shock absorbing silicone pad, and if you over tighten this, well, there's a system to prevent that, to prevent you from damaging your vent. Then the car charger. So it does output in total 58 watts. This one here is the power delivery, 40 watts. The top is quick charging, and it has a good build quality to it, like everything here from ESR. The build quality does look excellent. You can see the active fan inside there, so that's up to that 25 watts. And with the CryoBoost there, it's going to be keeping it 6.5 degrees Fahrenheit cooler and just be a bit safer there for the battery and improve those charging times. So clipping this on now, this is the heaviest of the iPhones, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And the magnet force on this is really good because it's 1,600 grams of force, and giving that a really good shake, you can see it's not going to come off. Now, once connected, I can see the blue status LED just inside there. That now then starts to pulse, which is good. It goes from darker to then brighter, so you know then it is charging. And when I take it off, it's just a dull blue light now. So this car does have a built-in wireless charger, but it's not very good. It's only 10 watts. It's not Qi 2 standard, where this, of course, is. Now, you see that where I've got it is in these strange-looking air vents just above the screen. And in fact, it works quite well. It's very solid in there. I can give that a good wiggle around, and that's not going to go anywhere. In fact, my road test, you can see now, driving on some very bumpy roads. The roads around here are terrible. They're potholes. They're up and down. And even though you can see the cameras moving around, the cars moving around, it is rock solid, not going to fall off there, and gives me a lot of confidence. Now, how I have it clipped on at the moment is just in the landscape. For maps, for navigation, works very well. But of course, you don't have to use it in landscape. I can put it in portrait here, and that's going to be just fine. And it's very good the way it is locked into place there, and it's not going to damage my air vent at all. So I'm really happy with this result and just how firm it does hold it with that 1,600 grams of magnetic force. Included with our CryoBoost foldable 3-in-1 magnetic charging station, we get our Type-C to Type-C cable, 50 watt charger, and look at how small and compact this is. So it's really good for travel. And the unit itself, which is again small and compact. Here we have a support sticker. There's some stickers for the Apple Watch just to help secure it in place a little bit better. And this right here, which is a QR code to scan the setup video for it. And there is a little bit of paperwork there in various different languages. So this is the world's first 3-in-1 wireless charger that has Time's Best Inventions. Yes, it did win that award, which is really good. And we're looking at a really nice small design. So this will easily slip into a backpack. It's great for travel. And it has, of course, the Qi 2 25 watts and CryoBoost. So there's that fan you can see at the back of it there. So that's going to be keeping it 6.5 degrees Fahrenheit cool. It's going to boost the speed of that charging and protect the phone, just keeping it not quite as hot as others as the standard official charger would. You don't want to get hot batteries because it's not good for them getting them really hot. So with my iPhone 17 Pro Max here and the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, it'll get to 60% in 30 minutes. With the Pro Max model, it's going to be just a little bit over that. And that's 25% faster than the official 25 watt Magsafe charger. So that is really good. Now, that included charger that I showed you before, very small and compact, so I'll get that plugged in, and this is still able to charge, for example, a MacBook Air. So you can take that along with you. It's going to be quite useful to have that. And I'll just plug this in and show you now it charging. So I'll get that powered on, put the adapter in. There we go, 80% charged at the moment. So there's also this Qi wireless charging pad right there that I'll test out. Now, I don't happen to have Apple AirPods, but these wireless earbuds from a brand called Tozo, you can see, are charging just fine. So that's where they go. Of course, this is where you would then put the Apple Watch. Included with our CryoBoost 3-in-1 magnetic charging station. This is the stand version. The other one was the foldable. We have another 50-watt charger. There is some paperwork and a support card, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and then this right here, which is the Apple Watch charger portion of it, and it can also be used to charge AirPods, for example. This stand I do prefer over the foldable one. Of course, the foldable is all about portability, but this CryoBoost 3-in-1 magnetic charging station upright here, so it removes that clutter. Looks really good on a desk. So just like the other one, we do have the same standard here. So we have that Qi 2.2 25 watts and that CryoBoost keeping it all cool with the active fan. You can see it there at the back. Now you'll notice there's a Type-C port. That is where we put the portion of the watch, Apple Watch charger there. So if you have an Apple Watch S10, it'll get to 50% in 30 minutes. And then at the bottom, you can also charge, for example, some AirPods, which I don't happen to have, but you can put those on the wireless charging pad. That's how it's the 3-in-1. So imagine that is an Apple Watch that goes here. And here is my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you just snap it into place. Very, very clean, no clutter there, just that single cable at the bottom. Now you can, of course, rotate this around. The magnets will keep it held there in place. So you are able then to watch content. Maybe you're watching a YouTube video or something. You can spin that around. Either way, it's not going to really matter there. So it's all up, quite a nice package here. And I just love how tidy this is. It looks great. So there we go. 3 great products from ESR with that CryoBoost active cooling there. That's ensuring that your phone will not overheat. Charges at an efficient, more rapid rate compared to the original products, which don't have little fans, no active cooling. These do, of course. And then we have the 3-in-1, so magnetic 3-in-1 wireless charging station, and then the 3-in-1 wireless charging station that is foldable, so you can charge all 3 of your Apple devices there, phone, watch, and the AirPods all at the same time. Now, I do have links in the description of this video if you're after more information about these products, availability and pricing. Do check that out. And thank you so much for watching this video.